Hello everyone, welcome to today's lessons. Do you know how we measure things in English? Today we will learn the names of different tools we use for measurement. Let's get started. This is called a weighing machine. We use it to check how heavy something is. For example, you can weigh yourselves on a weighing machine. Repeat after me. Weighing machine. Weighing machine. Great. Computerized weighing machine. This is a computerized weighing machine. It works just like a normal weighing machine but is more advanced. It shows the weight on a digital screen. Can you say computerized weighing machine? Computerized weighing machine. Perfect. Look at this. It's called a scale. A scale is often used in shops to weigh fruits and vegetables. Say it with me. A scale. A scale. Well done. Next, we have an inch tape. It's a measuring tape used to measure length. For example, tailors use it to measure cloth. Repeat. Inch tape. Inch tape. Fantastic. These are weights. They are used along with a scale to measure how heavy things are. Can you say weight? Weight. Excellent. This is a meter scale. It is used to measure longer distance or lengths. Repeat after me. Meter scale. Great job. This is a spring balance. It's used to measure weight by the tension of a spring. Say it with me. Spring balance. Spring balance. Awesome. Lastly, these are measuring pots. These are measuring pots. They are used to measure liquids like water or milk. Can you say measuring pots? Measuring pots. Amazing. Great work. Everyone, today we learned so many new words about measurements. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.